still knows the shape of you, like you just stepped outside. Your coffee's cold, the sky is too. I guess some things don't try. Your voice still hangs in yesterday. Between my breaths somehow I keep pretending I'm okay, but I don't know how. I asked the mirror who I am. It didn't recognize my face. Turns out loving you is all I had, and now it's just an empty place. You left without taking the rain, so it stayed here soaking me. I smile but it feels like a stain, like joy's just pretending to be. You moved on like it was easy to do. I stayed back, learning how to lose. You left without taking the rain, and now it only falls on me. I walk the streets we used to know. They don't remember us. Every light feels dim and low, like hope just missed the bus. I keep your name inside my chest. It hurts but feels like home. I loved you more than I confessed. Now I love being alone. They say let go, you'll be okay, like hearts have a release, but mine still beats in yesterday, asking you for peace. You left without taking the rain, so it stayed here soaking me. I laugh, but it sounds the same, like pain drifts quietly. You found new skies, new things to do. I'm still under what we knew. You left without taking the rain, and now it only falls on me. If missing you was a crime, I'd be guilty every night. I don't want you back this time, I just wanna feel right. You left without taking the rain, but maybe it won't last forever. Maybe one day I'll feel the pain and not break.